Welcome to Scorebuddy. My name is Robyn and I'm a senior CSM here at Scorebuddy along with being one of the BI SMEs. The plan for today is to take you through how you can navigate through Scorebuddy's BI tool. Let's begin. Within our root cause analysis, again, what you'll see here is you have top 10 causes and it's going from the most to the least within a panel visualization. So within this, you can navigate through a few different pages. We have 3 different pages, which is your top 10 causes, just an overall causes graph along with the causes list. That isn't everything that is on this page, so once we continue scrolling down, what you can take a look at then is the causes in detail. So immediately it's broken down into your staff, your scorecard question, the cause, how many of those causes and what the percentage of them was. Again, similar to the previous page, you do have the button bar filter, which will allow you to navigate through to your supervisors, your teams, groups, scorecards, and the events. Again, this is just to allow you to be able to get an overall view or a more granular view, depending on what it is you need to report on. So to take a quick look, we can see that up the top here, we have Alex, who on the scorecard question, welcome and greeting, didn't include the customer name. Then on question 2, for the caller's details were verified, they didn't verify the caller's name. Along with then on question 3, the appropriate probing questions were used throughout the call. So for this one, we have 2 that are associated to this question, which is jump to conclusions and necessary probing questions were not asked. So again, this is just allow you to be able to drill down for a root cause analysis on exactly what is happening from your agents to your customer conversations and be able to get more and better insights to help your employees. Thank you very much for taking a very quick walk through our Scorebuddy BI. Please don't hesitate to reach out to your account manager or your CSM and they will be able to take you further and in more detail of our BI tool.